Imagine standing on a vast, empty beach, staring out at an endless ocean. You can only see so far, with the horizon marking the limit of your vision. Beyond that line lies a world unseen, rich with mysteries yet to be uncovered. In the cosmos, we face a similar horizon, the observable universe. This is where our journey begins, at the very edge of what we can comprehend and perceive. The observable universe encompasses everything we can detect, whether through light, radiation, or even gravitational waves. It stretches out approximately 93 billion light-years in diameter, a vast expanse filled with galaxies, stars, and cosmic phenomena. Yet, this boundary is not merely a physical limit, it is a reflection of the capabilities of our senses and the instruments we have developed over centuries. Our telescopes, once rudimentary, have evolved into powerful devices that can capture light from the farthest reaches of existence, revealing the universe's subtle details and grand structures. However, it is crucial to understand that what we see is only a fraction of the cosmos. The light from distant objects takes billions of years to reach us, meaning we are essentially peering back in time. When we observe a galaxy that is 10 billion light-years away, we are witnessing it as it existed 10 billion years ago, long before our solar system formed. This temporal distance adds layers of complexity to our understanding, reminding us that our perception is limited not only by distance but also by the finite speed of light. The concept of the cosmic horizon is foundational in cosmology. Beyond this horizon lies the unobservable universe, regions of space that are forever beyond our reach. As the universe expands, portions of it recede from us faster than the speed of light due to the expansion of space itself. The farther away we look, the more we realize that there is always something just out of reach, a cosmic curtain that teases us with the promise of discovery yet keeps its secrets hidden. This edge is not static, it evolves as the universe continues to expand. It leads us to ponder profound questions about the nature of space and time. What lies beyond this boundary? Could there be galaxies, or even entire civilizations, existing just out of our line of sight? These thoughts spark our curiosity, urging us to explore further, even if we may never attain a complete understanding of what lies beyond. As we peer into the depths of space, we encounter other, more abstract boundaries. The observable universe is shaped by not just the limits of our technology, but also by the very structure of spacetime itself. The nature of our universe, governed by the laws of physics, means there are realms of possibility and reality we can only theorize about, always yearning for a glimpse beyond our familiar domain. In exploring the cosmic horizon, we are led to the realization that our universe is a tapestry woven from the threads of time and space, yet with edges we have only begun to comprehend. This sense of wonder is what drives scientists and dreamers alike, pushing us to seek answers to questions that challenge the very fabric of our existence. As we dive deeper into the mysteries of the observable universe, we begin to touch upon ideas that are both exhilarating and humbling. The observable universe is not merely an expanse of stars and light, it is a gateway to understanding our place in the cosmos. Each discovery, each new observation, expands our view and challenges our perceptions, igniting a spark of curiosity that has driven humanity for millennia. To extend our knowledge beyond the observable universe requires imagination as much as empirical evidence. As we forge ahead, we must embrace the unknown that lies beyond our sight and grasp the profound implications of what that means. It challenges us to think critically and creatively about the nature of existence itself. The edge of the observable universe is not just a physical limit, it symbolizes the frontier of human understanding. Each step we take closer to this boundary is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It inspires us to keep asking questions and seeking connections in a reality that often feels unfathomable. As we stand at this cosmic precipice, we are reminded of our smallness in the grand scheme of things while simultaneously acknowledging our capacity for discovery. It's a paradox that invites us to explore, learn, and adapt as we unravel the mysteries of the universe. The observable universe serves as a reminder of both our limitations and our potential. The boundaries of our knowledge may change as we develop new technologies and theories, but the quest for understanding will always lead us to the edges of reality. With each revelation, we illuminate the darkness, nurturing our sense of wonder and drawing closer to the unknown. Our journey through the cosmos is only just beginning, and as we peer into the depths of the universe, we are compelled to keep pushing forward, ever curious, ever searching, and ever in awe of the infinite wonders that await us beyond the observable universe. As we navigate this vast expanse, we encounter a fundamental principle that governs our understanding of the cosmos: the speed of light. This seemingly simple concept, encapsulated in the equation made famous by Albert Einstein, reveals profound truths about the very fabric of our universe. Light travels at an astonishing speed of about 299,792 kilometers per second, a constant that acts as both a beacon and a boundary. In essence, this speed defines the cosmic horizon, the limit of our observable universe. The light we see today is a glimpse of the past, a time capsule carrying information from distant galaxies and cosmic events. When we gaze at the stars twinkling in the night sky, we are not viewing them as they are now, but as they were eons ago, their light taking millions or even billions of years to reach us. This creates a tantalizing paradox: the farther we look into the universe, the further back in time we are peering. Each photon, a particle of light, travels through the void, traversing unimaginable distances to deliver a snapshot of the universe's history, while also imposing a limit on what we can ever truly know. Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean, where every wave that breaks on the shore is a memory of a distant storm. That is the nature of light. It carries stories from the past, but it also delineates the boundary of our knowledge. The light that has reached us from the most distant galaxies has been traveling since a time when the universe was still young, mere fractions of its current age. This cosmic curtain divides the known from the unknown, a boundary defined not by physical walls, but by the limits of light's travel. Beyond this horizon lies a region of the universe that remains unseen, a place where the laws of physics as we understand them may no longer apply. As we traverse through the cosmos, we encounter not only light but also the peculiarities of how it behaves in the vastness of space. Light can bend and warp, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, where massive objects like galaxies can distort the path of light from even more distant sources. This intriguing effect is a powerful reminder that space and time are not static entities but dynamic, shifting realms influenced by the mass and energy that reside within them. It expands our perspective and challenges our perceptions, revealing the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the complex interplay of gravity and light. However, the speed of light also imposes inherent limitations on our exploration. As the universe expands, regions of space are receding from us so quickly that their light will never reach our eyes. This revelation opens a window into a future where entire galaxies fade into darkness, forever beyond our observational reach. The cosmic horizon is not just a boundary, it is a poignant reminder of the ever-evolving nature of our universe, a one-way ticket to knowledge that is perpetually slipping just out of grasp. Yet, the story of light is not merely one of limitation. It is also a narrative of discovery and enlightenment. Our ability to harness light through telescopes has opened new realms of understanding, allowing us to detect ultraviolet, infrared, and even radio waves emitted by celestial bodies. These observations reveal the intricate structures of galaxies, the birth of stars, and the hearts of black holes. With every new wavelength explored, we enrich our understanding of the cosmos and challenge the boundaries of our observable universe. As we continue to decode the secrets of light, we also encounter the enigmatic phenomena of dark matter and dark energy. These invisible forces shape the universe in ways that light cannot directly reveal. They are the unseen architects of cosmic structure, influencing galaxy formation and the universe's accelerated expansion. The interplay of light and these mysterious entities creates a cosmic tapestry woven from threads both seen and unseen, expanding our quest for knowledge even further. In this pursuit, we find ourselves at the intersection of light and knowledge, where each discovery expands our consciousness and challenges our understanding of reality. The universe is a grand puzzle, and light serves as the key to unlocking its many mysteries. Yet, as we shine our light into the depths of space, we do not merely illuminate, we also encounter profound questions about existence itself. What lies beyond the cosmic curtain? Are there realms untouched by light, where the laws of physics bend in ways we cannot yet comprehend? The limitations of light force us to confront the boundaries of human knowledge, pushing us to explore the theoretical realms of physics where imagination meets reality. Scientists and philosophers alike grapple with the implications of what exists beyond our observable universe, contemplating the multiverse hypothesis and the possibility of alternate realities coexisting alongside our own. With each exploration, we are reminded that the universe is an ever-expanding frontier, and the quest for knowledge is as infinite as the cosmos itself. As we continue to contemplate the nature of light and its role in shaping our understanding of the universe, we embrace the mystery that lies ahead. With every photon that graces our telescopes, we are invited to dream bigger, to imagine the unimaginable, and to push the boundaries of what we know. The cosmic horizon may define our limitations, but it also inspires us to reach beyond, igniting the flames of curiosity and wonder that will propel humanity toward new frontiers in the great cosmic voyage. As we peer into the vastness of the universe, we encounter the cosmic horizon, a boundary that delineates the observable from the unobservable. This horizon is not a wall, but rather a shimmering veil, a curtain drawn across the expanse of existence, obscuring the ultimate nature of reality that lies beyond our current grasp. The observable universe is merely a fraction of the entire cosmos, a grand stage on which the light from stars and galaxies has traveled to reach us over the eons. Beyond this cosmic curtain, an infinite, mysterious realm stretches out, filled with the potential for discovery that tantalizes our imagination and beckons us to explore. At the heart of this concept is the understanding that the universe has been expanding since the Big Bang. As it grows, so too does the fabric of spacetime, carrying the distant galaxies along with it. The light emitted from those galaxies takes time to reach us, and as the universe expands, some light may never arrive at our vantage point. The cosmic horizon is, thus, a manifestation of time and space, a boundary defined not just by distance, but by the finite speed of light. It is a reminder that there are regions of the universe forever shrouded from our view, parts of reality that exist but may never be known to us. This phenomenon gives rise to a profound realization: beyond our current understanding, beyond what we can observe, there may exist a multitude of galaxies, filled with stars and planets, some perhaps harboring life. This infinite expanse raises questions that challenge our perception of existence. What wonders lie hidden in the shadows of our knowledge? What cosmic phenomena might we discover if we could traverse the cosmic horizon? The very notion of infinity ignites a spark of curiosity, an insatiable quest for exploration that drives humanity forward. Furthermore, as we contemplate what lies beyond the cosmic curtain, we must grapple with the concept of time itself. The universe is not static, it is in a constant state of flux. Each moment that passes sends ripples through spacetime, altering the landscape of existence. If we were to venture beyond our cosmic horizon, we would encounter regions that have evolved in ways we cannot yet comprehend, where the laws of physics might operate under different rules or where entirely new phenomena could exist. The mind races at the thought of what might be revealed: ancient stars that have witnessed the birth of galaxies, or the remnants of cosmic events that shaped the very fabric of reality as we know it. The beauty of this exploration lies not just in the pursuit of knowledge, but in the yearning to seek answers to profound questions. Are we alone in this vast cosmos? What does it mean to be human in the face of such limitless possibilities? These inquiries drive scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike, urging them to look beyond the familiar and to ponder the vast unknown. It is in this contemplation that we begin to appreciate our place in the universe, not as mere observers but as participants in a grand narrative that transcends time and space. As we consider the implications of the cosmic horizon, we find ourselves drawn into a tapestry of theories that attempt to explain the unexplainable. The multiverse hypothesis tantalizes our imagination, suggesting that our universe might be just one of an infinite number of realities, each with its own unique properties and possibilities. If this is true, the cosmic horizon is not merely a limit to our understanding, but a gateway to countless other worlds, each waiting to be explored and understood. The fabric of spacetime itself plays a critical role in this cosmic journey. It bends and warps, creating pathways that may one day allow us to traverse the unimaginable distances that separate us from the mysteries beyond. Theoretical physicists explore ideas of wormholes and cosmic highways, envisioning shortcuts through the universe that could enable us to venture into the unknown realms that lie beyond our immediate perception. This intersection of theory and imagination ignites a sense of awe, urging us to consider the profound possibilities that await beyond the cosmic curtain. Yet, with each new theory comes the recognition of our limitations. Our current technology, while remarkable, remains bound by the constraints of the observable universe. We can only dream of the advancements that might one day enable us to peel back the layers of the cosmos, to see beyond the horizon and into the depths of infinity.
As we strive to expand our understanding, we also confront the humility of our existence, realizing that some questions may remain forever unanswered, trapped behind the veil of the unknown. In this cosmic exploration, we find a remarkable intersection of science and philosophy. Each step we take into the mysteries beyond the cosmic horizon invites us to consider not only what exists, but who we are in relation to it. The search for knowledge becomes a profound reflection on our own existence, challenging us to rethink our place in the grand scheme of the universe. We are not merely stardust adrift in the cosmos, we are explorers, thinkers, and dreamers, committed to the pursuit of understanding and the unfolding of the infinite. As we stand on the precipice of discovery, looking toward the cosmic horizon, we are filled with wonder and curiosity, a reminder of the boundless potential that lies ahead. The universe beckons us to venture forth, to seek knowledge, and to embrace the unknown, for beyond the cosmic curtain lies a realm of possibilities that could reshape our understanding of existence itself. The journey into the cosmos is not just a quest for information but an exploration of what it means to be part of this grand tapestry of reality, one where the infinite plays a role in shaping our collective destiny. As we delve deeper into the fabric of our universe, we encounter a breathtaking truth: the universe is not a static backdrop, but a dynamic entity, constantly expanding. This expansion is not merely a historical footnote but a fundamental characteristic of the cosmos that resonates throughout time and space. Imagine the vastness of the universe, stretching out in all directions, with galaxies racing away from one another like ships on an endless ocean. This movement reveals a symphony of cosmic evolution, driven by forces and phenomena that are both awe-inspiring and perplexing. The concept of an expanding universe stems from the groundbreaking work of astronomers in the early 20th century. Edwin Hubble's observations of distant galaxies showcased a profound reality: the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it appears to be moving away from us. This pivotal discovery led to the formulation of Hubble's law, which states that the velocity at which a galaxy recedes is directly proportional to its distance from us. It was a revelation that not only transformed our understanding of the cosmos but also hinted at a universe that had a beginning, a moment commonly referred to as the Big Bang. As we ponder the implications of this expansion, we must consider the vast regions beyond our current observational capabilities. While we can glimpse a mere fraction of what the universe holds, the actual expanse is incomprehensibly larger. The light from distant galaxies takes billions of years to reach us, meaning we see them as they were in the past. As the universe continues to expand, some of these galaxies are slipping beyond our cosmic horizon, driven away at speeds that surpass the speed of light due to the very fabric of spacetime stretching beneath them. These regions become forever inaccessible, cloaked in a veil of cosmic distance that defies our attempts to reach out and observe. The expansion of the universe invites us to consider the nature of space and time itself. It is a dance of cosmic proportions, where distances are not merely measured in light years, but in the very rates of expansion that stretch the threads of the universe's tapestry. Dark energy, a mysterious force that permeates all of space, is driving this accelerated expansion. It acts against the attractive force of gravity, pushing galaxies apart and altering our understanding of the cosmos in profound ways. What lies in this expansive void beyond the observable universe? It is a question that lingers in the minds of physicists and cosmologists alike. To grapple with the implications of an expanding universe, one must also confront its profound effects on cosmic structures. The gravitational pull of galaxies and clusters shapes the universe's evolution, but as those structures move further apart, they paint a picture of isolation in the cosmic landscape. The cosmic web, a vast network of galaxies interconnected by filaments of dark matter, showcases the intricate design of the universe, yet it is also a reminder of the infinite spaces that may exist just beyond our reach. As we look deeper into the cosmos, we come face to face with the stark reality that every moment brings forth new regions that are slipping away from us, forever lost to our observational capabilities. But what does this mean for our future exploration? As humanity stands on the precipice of discovery, we are faced with the challenge of understanding a universe that is not only expanding but also continuously evolving. The very notion of exploring the cosmos becomes a race against time as we seek to chart territories that are rapidly becoming unreachable. The instruments we develop today must account for this expansion, allowing us to peer into the past while also preparing for a future that remains shrouded in uncertainty. With each new advancement in technology, we expand our cosmic horizons.
Telescopes equipped with advanced sensors and capabilities allow us to capture the faintest whispers of light from distant galaxies. These observatories become our eyes, revealing the intricate details of celestial phenomena, yet they also serve as a reminder of the vastness that eludes our grasp. The search for knowledge in this expanding universe is not merely scientific but deeply philosophical. Each discovery opens new questions, challenging our understanding of existence and our place within it. In contemplating the expansion of the universe, we cannot ignore the potential for multitudes of realities that may exist beyond our observational limits. The multiverse hypothesis suggests that our universe may be just one of many, each with its own unique properties and laws of physics. If this is true, the expansion of our own universe could be merely a fleeting chapter in a much larger cosmic narrative, filled with possibilities that stretch far beyond our imagination. As we push the boundaries of our understanding, we find ourselves reflecting on the nature of knowledge itself. The limits of human comprehension may seem daunting, yet they also inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity. Each question leads to another, and in this pursuit, we discover that our journey through the cosmos is as much about understanding the universe as it is about understanding ourselves. The expansion of the universe serves as a humbling reminder of our place within this vast expanse, encouraging us to explore, to question, and to grow. In the face of the unknown, we are reminded that the universe is not just a collection of stars and galaxies, but a living, breathing entity, inviting us to journey further into its mysteries. As we continue our quest to understand the cosmos, we embrace the excitement of discovery and the promise of new horizons, knowing that with every step forward, we are unearthing the profound truths that shape our reality. The expansion of the universe challenges us to dream bigger, to think deeper, and to appreciate the boundless possibilities that lie beyond the observable realm. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we encounter the intricate weave of spacetime, a fabric that holds together the very essence of existence. This concept, which merges the three dimensions of space with the dimension of time, creates a dynamic arena where celestial bodies dance, light travels, and events unfold. Imagine spacetime as a vast, intricate tapestry, where every thread represents different aspects of the cosmos, intertwined in ways that are both beautiful and complex. At the core of this tapestry lies gravity, a force that warps and bends the fabric itself. When massive objects like stars or planets exist in spacetime, they create indentations, akin to a heavy weight placed on a soft mattress. This curvature determines how other objects move and interact, illustrating not just the mechanics of planetary orbits, but also shaping the very nature of time itself. Closer proximity to a massive object can slow the passage of time, an effect we now refer to as time dilation. This phenomenon, which sounds like science fiction, has been verified through experiments involving atomic clocks on satellites and has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Yet, as we gaze at the stars and ponder the cosmos, we are faced with the realization that our view is limited. The observable universe, the region from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, is merely a fraction of the totality that exists. Beyond our cosmic horizon, the fabric of spacetime stretches into the unknown, potentially harboring regions of existence that challenge our imagination. What lies beyond? We can only speculate, yet the possibility is tantalizing. There could be entire galaxies, stars, and perhaps even forms of life, all nestled in realms that remain utterly unreachable, hidden from our instruments and senses. This notion of an unseen cosmos leads us to consider the laws of physics as we understand them. They govern the observable universe, dictating the behavior of particles, forces, and interactions. However, what if there were different laws, or variations of familiar laws, in areas beyond our reach? The fabric of spacetime might not be uniform. Just as local geography varies from flat plains to towering mountains, the fundamental forces in particles could shift in nature, introducing complexities that elude our current scientific frameworks. Moreover, spacetime is not static, it is dynamic and ever-evolving. The universe itself is continuously expanding, with galaxies receding from us as the very fabric of spacetime stretches. The rate of this expansion, driven by dark energy, hints at an enigmatic force that operates on a cosmic scale. If our observable universe is expanding, what does that mean for the regions we cannot observe? It sparks a series of questions about the fate of the universe and the potential for new phenomena to emerge as spacetime continues to evolve. As we venture into theoretical realms, ideas like cosmic inflation come to the forefront. This rapid expansion that is theorized to have occurred within the first moments of the universe's existence not only set the stage for the cosmos we see today but also implies that vast regions may exist beyond our observable limits, forever out of reach. These domains could harbor entirely different physical realities, creating a multiverse of varying conditions, each with its own unique tapestry woven from distinct threads of spacetime. The concept of the multiverse raises profound philosophical questions about existence itself. If multiple universes can exist, each with different physical laws, what does this mean for our understanding of reality? Are we merely one thread in an endless tapestry, or do we play a central role in a grand design? Such musings push the boundaries of human knowledge, reminding us that our understanding is still in its infancy and that the universe may be far stranger than we can conceive. As we contemplate these vast expanses, we must also acknowledge the limitations of our current technology and methods. Our instruments, while sophisticated, are still constrained by the speed of light and the vast distances involved in cosmic exploration. Every observation we make is a glimpse into a past long gone, while the present reality may be bustling with activity beyond our reach. This realization humbles us, as we recognize that much of what we seek lies hidden and elusive, shrouded in the fabric of spacetime that we have yet to fully comprehend. However, hope ignites in our quest for understanding. Theoretical physicists and cosmologists continue to push the boundaries of what we know, exploring concepts that challenge our perceptions and expand our imaginations. Through mathematics and innovative thinking, they attempt to map the unseen, theorizing about wormholes that could act as shortcuts through spacetime, or exploring the potential for time travel under certain conditions. Each compelling idea offers a window into possibilities that tantalize our minds, reminding us of the beauty of the unknown. As we weave our way through the mysteries of spacetime, we find ourselves navigating the intersection of science and philosophy. The questions we pose about existence, the nature of reality, and our place in the cosmos resonate across disciplines, urging us to reflect on the deeper implications of our discoveries. This journey through spacetime is not just about understanding the universe, it is about understanding ourselves and our connection to everything around us. In this grand exploration, we maintain a cosmic perspective, one that encourages humility and curiosity. The fabric of spacetime is not merely a backdrop to our existence, it is a living, breathing part of the universe itself, inviting us to ponder the unimaginable and to embrace the unknown. As we advance in our understanding, bridging gaps between knowledge and mystery, we continue to unravel the tapestry of existence that binds us all, revealing the profound interconnectedness of everything within and beyond the observable universe. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we encounter the remarkable theory of cosmic inflation, a concept that reshaped our understanding of the universe's infancy. This theory proposes that, in the first moments following the Big Bang, the universe underwent an exponential expansion unlike anything we can imagine today. Picture a tiny, incredibly dense point, smaller than an atom, exploding outward faster than the speed of light, stretching space itself in a mere fraction of a second. This event not only explains the uniformity we observe in the cosmic microwave background radiation but also addresses the very large-scale structure of the universe we see today. Cosmic inflation offers a breathtaking perspective on what lies beyond the observable universe. Before this era of rapid expansion, regions of space that would later become galaxies were densely packed together within an infinitesimal volume. As inflation took hold, these regions expanded so swiftly that they became causally disconnected. This means that while they were once part of the same fabric of space, they no longer could interact or exchange information. Consequently, the universe we observe now is just a small fraction of the entire cosmos, and the regions beyond our cosmic horizon are forever shrouded in mystery. The implications of cosmic inflation extend far beyond mere size. They touch on the very nature of reality itself. If inflation is correct, it suggests that our universe is just a single bubble in a vast multiverse. Each bubble could be governed by different physical laws, leading to an astounding diversity of universes, each with its own unique characteristics. Some might have entirely different fundamental forces, while others could be devoid of matter or even time itself. This idea invites us to contemplate a reality that is far richer and more intricate than we ever thought possible. As we explore these concepts, we must also consider the role of dark matter and dark energy in shaping our understanding of the universe. Dark matter, a mysterious substance that doesn't emit light or energy, interacts only through gravity. It makes up about 26% of the universe, sculpting the cosmic web and influencing the formation of galaxies. Dark energy, on the other hand, accounts for approximately 70% of the universe, driving its accelerated expansion. These two enigmatic components challenge our understanding and urge us to look beyond the familiar, suggesting that the universe's true nature remains partially hidden. The fabric of spacetime itself, woven tightly by gravity and shaped by mass, presents an intricate tapestry that holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. While we have made significant progress in mapping the observable universe, our knowledge still pales in comparison to the vastness that lies beyond.
This is where the boundaries of human understanding become apparent.
The equations of theoretical physics strive to describe the unseen world, to map the uncharted territories of spacetime where our current instruments cannot reach. Imagine, if you will, the potential of advanced technologies in this great quest for knowledge.
Future generations may develop tools that allow us to probe regions of the universe once thought inaccessible.
Instruments capable of detecting subtle gravitational waves could unlock secrets about cosmic events that occurred long before the light from those regions could ever reach us. By utilizing these groundbreaking technologies, we may glimpse the echoes of the universe's earliest moments, offering insights into cosmic inflation and the nature of existence itself.
As we venture further into the implications of cosmic inflation, we must acknowledge the tantalizing possibilities of wormholes and cosmic highways.
These theoretical passages through spacetime could connect distant regions of the universe, allowing for travel across vast distances in the blink of an eye. While currently the domain of speculation, the mathematics of wormholes excites the imagination, inviting discussions on the nature of time travel and the potential for exploration beyond our current constraints. What if, through such pathways, we could witness other universes, other forms of existence? The thought spurs a sense of wonder, urging us to dream of possibilities that stretch the bounds of our comprehension. In contemplating these cosmic highways, we cannot overlook the profound philosophical questions that arise.
What does it mean to exist in a universe that is potentially part of a much larger multiverse? How do we reconcile our individual experiences with the vast, seemingly indifferent cosmos?
These reflections force us to address not only the scientific questions but also the existential implications of our place within this grand design. As we grapple with these ideas, we come to realize that the cosmos is not merely a backdrop to our lives but an active participant in the exploration of knowledge and understanding. The intersection of philosophy and cosmology beckons us to ponder not only what is out there but also what it means to be human in the face of such enormity. The search for extraterrestrial life becomes intertwined with our quest for knowledge about ourselves.
If there are other forms of life, thriving in the depths of the universe or perhaps even in other bubbles of the multiverse, what can they teach us about our own existence?
This quest ignites a spark of curiosity that propels us forward into the unknown, urging us to explore the cosmos with both a sense of humility and a hunger for discovery.
Ultimately, as we navigate through the complexities of cosmic inflation and its implications, we are reminded that the universe is not a static entity, it is a dynamic, ever-evolving frontier.
Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the magnitude of what lies beyond our current perception, reshaping our view of existence itself. The journey through the cosmos transforms us, igniting a deep sense of wonder and igniting questions that may inspire generations to come. As we continue to explore the vastness before us, we embrace the unknown, driven by an insatiable quest for knowledge and the sublime beauty of the universe. As we delve deeper into the mysteries that lie beyond our observable universe, we encounter a concept that stirs the imagination and challenges our understanding of reality: the multiverse hypothesis. This tantalizing idea suggests that our universe, with its vast expanse and intricate laws of physics, might not be the only one that exists. Instead, it proposes a grand tapestry of multiple universes, each with its own unique characteristics, physical laws, and possibly even different dimensions of time and space. Imagine standing on a shore, gazing out at an infinite ocean where each wave represents a different universe, distinct yet connected through the unseen currents of existence. This is the essence of the multiverse, a collection of universes that extend beyond our comprehension, defying the limits of our own cosmic horizon. Each universe might possess variations of reality, where fundamental constants are altered, leading to entirely different forms of matter, life, and even time itself.
The roots of the multiverse hypothesis can be traced back to theories in quantum mechanics and cosmology.
Quantum mechanics suggests that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. When applied to the cosmos, this idea opens the door to the possibility that every decision, every event, could lead to a branching of realities, an infinite number of universes where different outcomes unfold. Perhaps in one universe, dinosaurs still roam the Earth, while in another, humanity never emerged. The implications are staggering, inviting us to contemplate our place within a much larger cosmic narrative. Inflationary theory, which describes the rapid expansion of the universe in its early moments, further supports the multiverse idea. According to this theory, different regions of space can stop inflating at different times, creating bubble universes. Each bubble, akin to a soap bubble forming in a frothy mix, may evolve independently, leading to diverse physical laws and constants. Some may allow for stable structures like galaxies, while others might be chaotic and inhospitable. This notion of bubbles in an eternal inflationary cosmos paints a picture of a multiverse teeming with possibilities, where our universe is just one among countless others. However, the concept of the multiverse doesn't just provide a framework for understanding cosmological phenomena, it raises profound philosophical questions about existence and reality. If every possibility is realized in some universe, what does that say about our choices and actions? Are we mere players in a vast cosmic play, or do we possess agency in shaping our universe? This intersection of science and philosophy invites us to reconsider the nature of reality and our role within it. Yet, as awe-inspiring as the multiverse hypothesis is, it also presents formidable challenges. The question arises, how can we test the existence of other universes? Science relies on observation and experimentation, but by their very nature, other universes may lie beyond our observational reach. Some scientists argue that the multiverse theory is inherently untestable, relegating it to the realm of speculation rather than empirical science. This tension between imagination and evidence creates a captivating dialogue within the scientific community, pushing the boundaries of what we consider to be knowledge. Despite these challenges, researchers continue to explore the multiverse through various theoretical frameworks. String theory, for instance, posits a landscape of possible configurations and dimensions, suggesting a multitude of universes with different physical properties. Each configuration represents a different universe, further expanding the scope of what we can conceive. The mathematics of string theory provides a tantalizing glimpse into the connections between universes, revealing a deeper understanding of the fundamental structure of reality. Even if we cannot directly observe other universes, their potential existence influences our understanding of dark matter and dark energy, components that play a crucial role in the dynamics of our universe. The interaction of these unseen forces could imply the presence of other realities, offering a glimpse into the interconnectedness of the multiverse and our own cosmic story. As we ponder the multiverse hypothesis, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of existence. Each universe, with its own unique narrative, contributes to a greater cosmic fabric, intricately woven together by the threads of possibility. This perspective encourages us to embrace the unknown and to remain open to the myriad of realities that could be lurking just beyond our grasp. In the grand scheme of the multiverse, our universe is but a fleeting moment, a singular note in an infinite symphony of existence. It invites us to dream of what lies beyond the cosmic edge, to seek out the profound connections that bind our reality to others. This exploration fuels our curiosity and ignites our imagination, compelling us to continue our journey through the cosmos, not just as passive observers, but as active participants in the unfolding drama of existence. As we stand on the precipice of understanding, the multiverse hypothesis beckons us to explore further, to question deeper, and to wonder endlessly about the nature of our reality. It challenges us to stretch the boundaries of our knowledge and to imagine a cosmos far grander than we ever thought possible. In doing so, we not only expand our grasp of the universe but also enrich our understanding of what it means to be human, curious, imaginative, and forever seeking the truths that lie beyond the horizon of our perception. As we delve deeper into the enigmatic realms of the universe, we encounter two profound mysteries that fundamentally shape the cosmos: dark matter and dark energy. These elusive components, despite comprising approximately 95% of the total energy density of the universe, remain largely invisible and undetectable by conventional means. Their presence reveals itself not through light or radiation, but through the gravitational forces they exert and the intricate dance they perform within the cosmic tapestry.
Dark matter, often described as the scaffolding of the universe, serves a crucial role in the formation and structure of galaxies. While we cannot see it directly, its influence is unmistakable. When astronomers observe the rotation of galaxies, they note that the visible matter, the stars, gas, and dust we can detect, does not account for the gravitational pull necessary to hold these galaxies together. The edges of galaxies spin at such high velocities that, without additional unseen mass, they would tear themselves apart. This unseen mass is what we term dark matter. It forms a halo around galaxies, providing the additional gravity required to keep them intact. Imagine vast clouds of this mysterious substance, enveloping galaxies like invisible nets, guiding their formation and evolution across billions of years. But dark matter does not merely bind galaxies, it plays a vital role in the larger structure of the universe itself. The cosmic web, a grand filamentary structure composed of galaxy clusters, superclusters, and massive voids, owes its existence to dark matter. It acts as a gravitational glue, pulling together ordinary matter and shaping the vast, interconnected architecture of our universe. The intricate patterns formed by these filaments correlate closely with the distribution of galaxies, revealing a deep relationship between the unseen and the seen. Through this lens, dark matter becomes not just an abstract concept, but a pivotal player in the grand drama of cosmic evolution. As we turn our gaze beyond the stars, we encounter dark energy, an even more mysterious force that drives the accelerated expansion of the universe. While dark matter works to pull matter together, dark energy pushes it apart. Discovered in the late 90s, dark energy is the catalyst behind the astonishing realization that the expansion of the cosmos is not merely a steady stretch but an accelerating one. This unexpected revelation transformed our understanding of cosmic dynamics and led to profound questions about the very fate of the universe. Imagine standing on the edge of an ever-expanding balloon, where galaxies are the dots painted on its surface. As the balloon inflates, those dots drift further apart from each other. This analogy captures the essence of our universe's expansion, with dark energy serving as the engine behind this relentless growth. The nature of dark energy remains one of the most significant puzzles facing modern cosmology. Some scientists propose that it might be a property of space itself, a constant energy density permeating the cosmos. Others suggest it could be related to modifications of gravity at vast scales or even a sign of new physics yet to be uncovered. The implications of dark energy stretch far beyond mere equations and theoretical models. They lead us to contemplate the ultimate fate of the universe. If the current rate of expansion continues, the cosmos could evolve into an isolated and cold place, where galaxies drift far from one another, leaving a dark, empty expanse in their wake. This distant future, known as the Big Freeze, raises profound questions about existence, time, and our place within this vast, ever-changing universe. As we grapple with these cosmic mysteries, dark matter and dark energy invite us to expand our scientific curiosity. These concepts challenge us not only to explore the fabric of reality but also to rethink the very nature of existence itself. They push the boundaries of our understanding and encourage us to seek answers to questions that have lingered for centuries. What is the true composition of our universe? Are there forces at play we have yet to conceive? How do these unseen elements interact with the visible matter that shapes our daily lives? Beyond the scientific implications, dark matter and dark energy offer a unique lens through which to view our own humanity. They remind us of the limits of our perception and the vastness of what remains unknown. Just as the universe expands beyond the observable horizon, so too does our quest for knowledge. Each discovery, each revelation, acts as a stepping stone, propelling us further into the mysteries of existence. In this pursuit, we stand on the shoulders of giants, our predecessors who dared to gaze at the night sky in wonder. Their questions laid the foundation for our current explorations, and their courage to confront the unknown inspires us to continue seeking answers, even when the path is shrouded in darkness. By embracing the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, we cultivate a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of reality that binds us to the cosmos. As we venture forth, the challenge remains to bridge the gap between what we know and what lies beyond the veil of our understanding. The interplay of dark matter and dark energy serves as a poignant reminder that the universe is far more complex and beautiful than we can fathom. In the grand scheme of things, we are not merely observers but integral participants in an unfolding narrative, one that urges us to imagine, explore,
and ultimately discover what lies beyond our current horizon.
As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we encounter the breathtaking tapestry of cosmic structures that sculpt the very fabric of the universe. From sprawling galaxies to colossal clusters, these monumental formations tell stories of formation, evolution, and the stark forces that govern our universe. Each galaxy, a gravitational island, houses billions of stars, swirling gas clouds, and myriad planets, serving as a testament to the dynamism and complexity of the cosmos. Galaxies themselves come in various shapes and sizes, from the majestic spiral arms of the Milky Way to the irregular forms of smaller companions like the Magellanic Clouds. Their structures reveal not just the beauty of celestial architecture but also the dynamic processes that influence their birth and behavior. The interplay of gravity, stellar formation, and cosmic collisions contributes to the evolutionary paths of galaxies, shaping them over billions of years.
Some galaxies cling closely to one another, forming groups, while others gather into immense clusters, the largest structures in the universe. These clusters can contain thousands of galaxies, bound together by the invisible embrace of dark matter, which, while undetectable through direct observation, exerts an undeniable influence on the movement and distribution of visible matter. As we step back and consider the arrangement of these cosmic structures, a profound pattern emerges. The universe appears to be woven into a vast cosmic web. This web consists of filaments and voids, with galaxies and clusters residing along the threads of the web, while enormous voids stretch across the emptiness between them. This grand architecture offers insight into the underlying forces that have shaped the cosmos since its inception. The distribution of matter reveals the gravitational dance of dark matter, guiding visible matter and hinting at the unseen mechanics of the universe. In examining these structures, we also gain a clearer understanding of the universe's expansion. The movements of galaxies within clusters can reveal the universe's expansion rate, a metric known as the Hubble constant. Observing the way galaxies recede from us, scientists can measure the speed of this expansion, providing a window into the early moments of our universe, when space itself was born in a magnificent explosion of energy and matter. The distribution of galaxies also tells us about the universe's history. Areas densely packed with galaxies are remnants of earlier cosmic epochs, while the emptier regions represent the ongoing evolution of the universe. As we consider what lies beyond the observable horizon, we must ponder the nature of these cosmic structures in higher dimensions. Theoretical physicists propose that space may be more than the three-dimensional expanse we perceive. Some models suggest additional dimensions, where the fabric of spacetime can warp and curve, influencing the formation and interaction of cosmic structures. If there are extra dimensions, they could hold the key to understanding phenomena such as dark matter and dark energy, which remain elusive and enigmatic. The study of cosmic structures also invites us to contemplate the possibility of life beyond Earth. In this immense universe filled with galaxies, each harboring billions of stars, the potential for habitable worlds is staggering. As we explore various exoplanets, we find that the universe may indeed be teeming with opportunities for life to arise. The conditions that give birth to stars, and consequently planets, can be found within the heart of nebulae and the remnants of supernovae, where elements are forged in the fiery crucibles of stellar death. Yet, as we stand on the precipice of discovery, we must also recognize our limitations. The vastness of the universe challenges us to extend our boundaries of knowledge. Each new discovery, be it a newly identified exoplanet or a distant galaxy, teaches us more about the nature of cosmic structures, yet raises further questions. How do these structures evolve over time? What forces are at play that we have yet to fully understand? The quest for knowledge in this regard is relentless, pushing us to refine our technologies and methodologies to peer deeper into the cosmic expanse. In our journey through the cosmos, we are reminded that these grand structures are not mere aggregates of stars and gas, they are the witnesses of time itself. Each galaxy holds within it a record of cosmic history, from the birth of stars to the collision of celestial giants. The merging of galaxies, a spectacular dance of gravitational forces, leads to the creation of new stars and the ultimate transformation of these structures. It is in these interactions that we see the raw power of the universe, demonstrating that destruction can lead to creation. As we look up into the night sky, we are drawn into the wonder of the cosmos, but we must remember that what we see is just the tip of the iceberg. Beyond the visible structures, the unseen forces and the vast expanse of dark matter and energy shape the universe in ways we are still striving to comprehend. The nature of cosmic structures invites us to contemplate not only the beauty and mystery of the universe but also our place within it. We are part of this grand design, a fleeting moment in the cosmic ballet that stretches back billions of years and will continue long after our stars have dimmed. In the midst of this exploration, we find ourselves not just as observers but as integral threads woven into the very fabric of the cosmos, yearning to understand and uncover the secrets that lie beyond our current understanding. Each galaxy, each cluster, beckons us to journey further, to question deeper, and ultimately, to embrace the infinite wonders that await in the vast, uncharted realms of the universe. As we stretch our imagination to grasp the enormity of the cosmos, we also confront the daunting reality of our limitations. The universe, vast and intricate, exists not just beyond our reach but also beyond our comprehension. Each discovery, rather than providing a complete picture, often reveals new layers of complexity and uncertainty. We stand at the precipice of knowledge, gazing into the abyss of the unknown, where every answer leads to further questions, and every hypothesis opens doors to deeper mysteries. The observable universe, while a spectacular domain filled with galaxies, stars, and the cosmic web, represents only a fraction of what may exist beyond our view. The light we receive from distant celestial bodies has traveled billions of years to reach us, yet much of the universe remains hidden, swallowed by the cosmic horizon. This horizon is not merely a physical boundary, it symbolizes the limits of our perception, tethering our understanding to a finite expanse. Beyond it lies a realm where distances stretch beyond imagination, and the rules we understand may not apply. Here, we encounter philosophical implications tied to our cosmic ignorance, confrontations that challenge the very essence of inquiry itself. Our quest for knowledge has always been a double-edged sword. With each advancement in technology and theory, we push the boundaries of what is known. Yet, the more we uncover, the greater the acknowledgement of gaps in our understanding becomes. Dark matter and dark energy, for instance, constitute around 95% of the universe, yet remain elusive and poorly understood. They are termed dark not merely because they are invisible, but because they challenge our grasp of fundamental physics, reshaping our models of reality. Their very existence invites a humbling realization that we might be standing in front of a vast tapestry, only capable of viewing a few threads while the majority remains hidden from sight. Philosophically, this invokes questions about the nature of knowledge and existence itself. What does it mean to know something? Can we ever truly understand the universe if a significant part of it slips past our cognitive grasp? This uncertainty invites contemplation on the limits of human cognition. Our brains, evolved for survival on Earth, may be ill-equipped to fully comprehend the complexities of the cosmos. The universe operates on scales and principles that often defy our intuitions, suggesting that the act of knowing is a journey filled with inherent limitations. Consider the very notion of time itself. We perceive time in a linear fashion, yet the universe may not adhere to these constraints. The idea of time as a constant flows into philosophical debates about determinism and free will. Are we merely observers trapped within a linear progression, or do we possess the agency to influence the cosmic dance? Struggling to reconcile these concepts reveals how our attempts at understanding the cosmos reflect our inner complexities and existential inquiries. In grappling with the limitations of our knowledge, we also encounter the boundaries placed by the scientific method. Science, our most powerful tool for exploration and understanding, relies on observation, experimentation, and repeatability. Yet, many aspects of the universe lie beyond these parameters. Can we scientifically validate the existence of phenomena we cannot observe? Theoretical physics often ventures into realms where predictions can be made without direct observation, operating in a sphere where mathematics becomes a bridge to the unseen. This raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. What if our mathematical models, while beautifully elegant, only approximate an underlying truth that remains forever elusive? As we navigate these intellectual landscapes, we must also recognize the role of imagination in our pursuit of knowledge. The universe invites us to dream beyond the empirical and venture into the speculative. Concepts such as wormholes and multiverses, once the domain of science fiction, now find footing in theoretical frameworks. They challenge our perceptions of space and time, expanding our understanding of what might be possible.
Yet, this imagination must be tethered to a rigorous scientific foundation.
The dance between the known and the unknown becomes a delicate balance, one that propels us forward while reminding us of the mysteries that await.
Mankind's desire to understand the cosmos is woven into the very fabric of our existence.
We are compelled to explore not just for the sake of knowledge, but also to find meaning in a universe that often feels indifferent. The limits of our understanding evoke a profound sense of humility. As we peer into the cosmos, we are reminded of our place within it, small yet significant, curious yet constrained. This paradox breeds both inspiration and a deep-seated desire to explore further, to question constantly, and to embrace the beautiful uncertainty that accompanies our quest for truth. In this cosmic tapestry, the interplay of knowledge, ignorance, and imagination propels us toward new horizons. While we may never fully grasp the entirety of the universe, it is in our striving to understand that we find purpose. Each inquiry becomes a thread in the grand design, a testament to our collective yearning to illuminate the shadows of ignorance with the light of discovery. As we journey through this vast expanse, we are united by the shared dream of uncovering the secrets that lie beyond our reach, forever pushing the boundaries of what it means to know. Theoretical physics stands as a beacon of exploration in this quest, offering a framework through which we can peer beyond the cosmic horizon. It operates at the intersection of mathematics and the physical world, proposing models that stretch our understanding of reality itself. In the vast domains that lie beyond the observable universe, theoretical physicists wield their equations as tools, crafting vibrant tapestries of ideas that seek to explain the unseen. These models, often born from the crucible of imagination, provide a glimpse into realms that the naked eye, and even the most sophisticated instruments, cannot access. One of the most profound notions that theoretical physics has introduced is the concept of parallel universes, birthed from the multiverse hypothesis. This idea suggests that our universe is but one of many, each potentially governed by different physical laws and constants. The implications are staggering, challenging our very notions of existence. If these parallel realms are indeed out there, they may host variations of life, matter, and even time itself. Theoretical models help us navigate these possibilities, providing a framework to understand how such universes could coexist, perhaps separated by dimensions we have yet to comprehend. As we turn our attention to the fabric of spacetime, theoretical physicists have proposed intriguing ideas about its structure and behavior. Theories such as string theory attempt to unify the forces of nature under a singular framework by suggesting that everything in the universe is made up of tiny, vibrating strings of energy. In this view, the dimensions of spacetime extend far beyond the three we experience daily, potentially encompassing multiple hidden dimensions that influence our reality in ways we cannot see. These models challenge our perceptions and invite us to think beyond the conventional bounds of space and time. Cosmic inflation is another key concept that stretches our understanding of the universe's origins. This rapid expansion occurred mere fractions of a second after the Big Bang, smoothing out the fabric of the cosmos and setting the stage for the universe we observe today. Theoretical physics provides crucial insights into why this inflation happened and how it shaped the large-scale structure of the universe. By modeling these inflationary processes, physicists can make predictions about the distribution of galaxies and the cosmic microwave background radiation that fills our universe, even offering hints about what lies beyond our observable reach. As we delve deeper into the unseen, the role of dark matter and dark energy becomes paramount. Together, they constitute a staggering majority of the universe's total energy density, yet elude direct detection. Theoretical models play a vital role in hypothesizing the nature of these enigmatic components. Dark matter is thought to interact with regular matter through gravity and perhaps other forces, while dark energy drives the accelerated expansion of the universe. Researchers utilize theoretical frameworks to propose scenarios that explain the gravitational effects we observe while remaining blind to the underlying substances. This intricate dance of discovery highlights the delicate balance between observation and inference. In contemplating the vastness beyond our observable universe, we must also confront the limits of human knowledge. Theoretical physics acknowledges these boundaries while simultaneously daring to imagine what lies beyond. Herein lies a paradox: the more we understand, the more we realize how much we have yet to learn. Theoretical models allow us to articulate the unknown, pushing our imaginations to their limits. They provide a language through which we can describe phenomena that are currently beyond our grasp, inviting us into a dialogue with the cosmos itself. To further chart the unseen, physicists are venturing into the realm of speculative concepts like wormholes and cosmic highways. These theoretical constructs suggest shortcuts through spacetime, potentially allowing for instantaneous travel between distant regions of the universe. While purely hypothetical at this stage, the mathematics behind these ideas are grounded in the fabric of general relativity, hinting that such avenues might not be entirely out of reach. Engaging with these models sparks our imagination and propels us forward in our quest for understanding the very nature of existence. Theoretical physics also opens the door to discussions about time travel, a tantalizing concept that has captivated minds for generations. The equations that govern spacetime suggest that under certain conditions, bending the rules of time may be theoretically possible. While practical applications remain firmly in the realm of science fiction, the exploration of these ideas challenges us to rethink causality, reality, and our place within the continuum of time. It underscores the profound interplay between the known and the unknown, inviting us to ponder the implications of traversing the very fabric of existence. As we pursue the trail of theoretical insights, the search for extraterrestrial life seamlessly integrates into this grand narrative. The models we develop about habitable environments and the potential for life beyond Earth are informed by the same principles guiding our exploration of the cosmos. Theoretical frameworks allow us to envision how life might adapt in alien worlds, crafting rich scenarios that excite our scientific inquiry and philosophical musings alike. In this journey beyond the observable universe, the role of technology cannot be overstated. As we develop new tools to test and refine our theoretical models, we inch closer to answering the questions that ignite our curiosity. Technology acts as a bridge, connecting our imaginative pursuits with empirical evidence, pushing the envelope of what we can discover. Each advancement opens new avenues for exploration, allowing us to probe deeper into the mysteries that lie just beyond our current understanding. Theoretical physics is not merely an abstract pursuit, it is an invitation to explore the uncharted territories of existence. Each model crafted, each hypothesis proposed, is a step toward mapping the unseen. In this endless quest, we remain forever driven by the wonder of the cosmos, each new discovery like a flicker of light illuminating the profound darkness that surrounds us. As we delve deeper into the cosmic fabric, the allure of speculative concepts like wormholes beckons us with the promise of connecting distant regions of the universe in ways that defy our conventional understanding of space and time. Imagine a tunnel stretching across the very fabric of spacetime, bridging two separate points in the vast expanse of the cosmos. These theoretical shortcuts, often depicted in science fiction, invite us to consider the possibility of traversing unimaginable distances instantaneously, transforming our very concept of travel through the universe. Wormholes emerge from the equations of general relativity, positing that the very structure of spacetime is not a mere backdrop for celestial happenings but a dynamic entity capable of bending and folding. At their core, wormholes are solutions to Einstein's field equations, presenting a fascinating and complex interplay of gravity and geometry. This extraordinary idea suggests that two disparate locations, perhaps light-years apart, could be joined by a tunnel-like structure, one end opening here, the other perhaps at the edge of a distant galaxy. The concept of wormholes also introduces a radical rethinking of time itself. If we could navigate these cosmic highways, we might not just transcend space but time as well. A journey through a wormhole could theoretically allow travelers to emerge in a different era, witnessing not just the wonders of distant worlds, but also the unfolding history of our own planet. It poses questions that challenge our fundamental understanding of causality and the linear progression of time. However, the realization of such extraordinary pathways is laden with complexities and challenges. The energy requirements for stabilizing a wormhole, if they indeed exist, are unfathomable by today's standards. Theoretical constructs like negative energy, which would be necessary to keep a wormhole open and traversable, remain elusive, residing in the realm of advanced physics and speculative theories. Without this form of energy, a wormhole would collapse before anything could pass through it, rendering it a mere mathematical curiosity rather than a practical bridge across the universe. Even if we could harness the mysteries of negative energy, other obstacles remain. The stability of a wormhole is subject to extreme gravitational forces, and the risks associated with traversing such a structure could be immense. We ponder the implications of traveling through a cosmic tunnel, facing unknown conditions and potential perils. Would a traveler emerge unscathed, or would they confront a cosmic landscape altered by the very act of passage? Yet, the imaginative potential of wormholes extends beyond mere travel. They challenge us to consider the interconnectedness of the universe, suggesting a tapestry where every point in space and time is interwoven in a grand cosmic design. This perspective invites us to speculate not only about our place in the universe but about the very nature of reality itself. If wormholes connect distant locations, could they also serve as conduits for information, allowing communication across time and space? The implications for understanding the cosmos are staggering, igniting our collective curiosity and inspiring future generations of scientists and dreamers alike. As we contemplate these cosmic highways, we also confront philosophical questions that echo through the ages. If wormholes enable travel to the far reaches of the universe, what does that mean for humanity's place within it? Would we become mere voyagers in a boundless sea of stars, forever searching for new horizons? Or would we find a deeper connection to the cosmos, recognizing ourselves as integral threads in the fabric of existence? The exploration of wormholes embodies a dance between science and philosophy, inviting us to ponder the very essence of being. While the scientific feasibility of wormholes remains uncertain, their potential has sparked a renaissance of thought in theoretical physics. Researchers are harnessing advanced mathematical models and computational approaches to investigate these cosmic curiosities further. They tread a fine line between imagination and empirical evidence, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge into realms previously deemed inaccessible. In this intellectual pursuit, we find echoes of the ancient explorers who set sail into uncharted waters, driven by the same thirst for discovery that propels modern scientists into the vast expanse of our universe. This exploration is not merely an academic exercise, it is a testament to humanity's unyielding spirit of inquiry. As we unravel the mysteries of wormholes, we are reminded of the cosmos' grandeur and complexity. Each new insight reveals more questions than answers, urging us to look beyond the visible and tangible in our quest for understanding. In this age of technological advancement, tools like powerful telescopes and accelerators are unlocking secrets hidden for centuries, allowing us to probe the very essence of spacetime. The intersection of observational astronomy and theoretical physics is paving the way for discoveries that could enhance our grasp of cosmic phenomena. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, the prospect of wormholes and their potential to connect distant realms serves as both a beacon of hope and a challenge to our imagination. With every leap toward understanding the cosmos, we unveil layers of existence that weave together the fabric of reality. Wormholes and cosmic highways, while still firmly in the realm of speculation, invite us to dream of what lies beyond, igniting our desire to explore the unknown. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself, urging us onward in our journey to unlock the secrets of existence. As we peer into the depths of the cosmos, we remain ever hopeful, ready to embrace the extraordinary when the fabric of our reality reveals its hidden pathways. Time, a concept we experience daily yet find elusive in its true essence, becomes a fascinating frontier when we consider it as a dimension, much like the space that surrounds us. To envision time as a dimension invites us to imagine not just the past, but also the potential to navigate through it. This notion dances on the edge of our scientific understanding and our wildest dreams, leading us into a realm where the boundaries of possibility blur into the cosmic imagination. In our everyday lives, we perceive time as a constant stream, flowing from the past, through the present, and into the future. However, in the grand tapestry of the universe, time is more than just a linear progression. It intertwines with the very fabric of spacetime, a concept born from the revolutionary ideas of Albert Einstein. In this framework, time does not merely tick away independent of space, instead, it is intrinsically linked to the three dimensions that we inhabit. Together, they form a four-dimensional continuum, where the curvature of spacetime can warp perceptions of time itself. This warping of time becomes particularly intriguing when we consider the effects of gravity. Massive objects, like stars or black holes, create significant distortions in the spacetime around them. According to Einstein's theory, the stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time passes in that region relative to areas of weaker gravity. This means that if you were to stand near a black hole, time for you would pass more slowly than for someone far away. It is a mind-bending realization that not only does time flow differently in different places, but it could also potentially allow for a form of time travel. The idea of moving through time is often relegated to the realm of science fiction, yet physicists have laid the groundwork for its potentiality. When we consider the implications of wormholes, hypothetical tunnels in spacetime that connect distant points, we step closer to the possibility of traversing time as we do distance. These structures, if they exist and could be stabilized, might enable a journey not just to far-off galaxies, but also to different epochs in our own history. Imagine standing in a place where the past and future converge, witnessing the unfolding of time like pages in an unwritten book, each moment a chapter waiting to be experienced. This tantalizing idea raises profound questions about causality and the nature of existence. If we could travel to the past, would we be able to change events, or would we become mere observers of a fixed timeline? Such considerations tap into deep philosophical waters, challenging our understanding of free will and destiny. The implications of time travel stretch far beyond the scientific. They connect with our very understanding of life, choices, and the consequences that ripple through time. As we delve deeper into the cosmic imagination, we encounter theories that suggest the existence of parallel timelines or alternative realities. This exploration blurs the lines between time travel and the fabric of a multiverse, where each decision could spawn a new branch of reality. In this breathtaking landscape, our actions could lead to different outcomes across a spectrum of existences, each a universe unto itself. It is a reminder of the complexity and richness of reality, where every choice echoes throughout the cosmos, weaving a tapestry of interconnected lives and timelines. Imagine a future where technology advances to the point of enabling time travel. As we confront the ethical dilemmas that such power would bring, we must also acknowledge the profound responsibility that accompanies such capabilities. What would it mean for humanity to traverse time? Would we seek to correct historical wrongs, or would we simply wish to observe the events that shaped our existence? The allure of witnessing pivotal moments in history is thrilling, yet we must tread carefully, understanding the delicate interplay between observation and interference. In contemplating time travel, we also open our minds to the wonders of imagination. The ability to envision ourselves in different temporal contexts invites us to dream about the future. What will humanity achieve in the coming centuries? Might we discover new forms of life on distant worlds, or unlock the secrets of the universe that linger just beyond our current knowledge? The journey through time becomes not just a quest for information, but a reflection of our hopes and aspirations as a species. As we consider the possibilities of experiencing the universe beyond our present moment, we recognize the connection between time, exploration, and our place in the cosmos. Every leap forward in understanding, every technological advancement, brings us closer to the dream of traversing time. We are not merely passive observers of the universe, we are active participants in the unfolding story of existence, driven by curiosity and a desire to connect with the mysteries that lie ahead. In the end, the concept of time travel invites us to ponder not just where we might go, but who we might become. Each journey through time could reveal not only the vast cosmos but also the depths of our own humanity. As we explore the unknown, we embrace the opportunities to learn, to grow, and to imagine a future that transcends the limits of our current understanding. In this dance between time and exploration, we find ourselves woven into the very fabric of the universe, forever curious and forever seeking answers. The quest for extraterrestrial life stands as one of humanity's most profound endeavors, inviting us to confront not only the possibilities that lie beyond our planet but also the essence of what it means to be alive in this vast universe. As we gaze into the star-speckled expanse of the night sky, we are imbued with a sense of wonder, wondering if we are truly alone or if there are other sentient beings reaching back across the void. The search for life beyond Earth is more than merely a scientific journey, it is a profound exploration of our place in the cosmos and the potential for connection with civilizations we have yet to encounter. At the heart of this search lies the question of what life is and how it might manifest in forms we cannot yet comprehend. Earth is a unique haven of biodiversity, where life thrives in countless forms, adapting to environments that range from the ocean depths to arid deserts. Yet, when we expand our gaze to the myriad exoplanets orbiting distant stars, each one presents an opportunity to find life with conditions unlike our own. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms able to survive in the harshest conditions on Earth, has expanded our understanding of life's resilience. This hints at the possibility that life could exist in environments we once deemed inhospitable, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, or subsurface oceans may harbor microbial ecosystems. The technological advancements in our observational capabilities have ushered in a new era in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Telescopes like the Kepler Space Telescope and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite have unveiled thousands of exoplanets, some of which reside within the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. With each new discovery, we edge closer to answering the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe. The potential for life is tantalizing, and with each exoplanet identified, the possibilities multiply. As we listen for signals from the stars, projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, employ powerful radio telescopes to scan the skies for faint whispers of civilizations communicating across cosmic distances. Each beep and chirp analyzed carries the weight of hope and anticipation, a reminder that the vastness of space might be teeming with voices waiting to be heard. The prospect of encountering an advanced civilization is not merely a scientific goal, it invokes profound philosophical reflections on our own existence and the trajectory of intelligence within the universe. Imagine the insights we could gain from other civilizations. Their perspectives on technology, art, and the universe would reshape our understanding of ourselves. Could they possess knowledge that helps us solve pressing challenges such as climate change, disease, or resource scarcity? The exchange of ideas with an extraterrestrial counterpart could propel humanity into a new era of enlightenment. Even the very act of reaching out to them becomes a mirror, reflecting our aspirations, fears, and the innate desire to connect with others. Yet, the implications of discovering extraterrestrial life are layered with complexity. We must ponder the ethical dimensions of such encounters. How would we communicate with them? What responsibilities would we bear? The prospect of impacting another civilization, knowingly or unknowingly, raises questions about respect, coexistence, and the moral obligation to ensure mutual benefit. The potential for misunderstanding and conflict looms large, reminding us that the cosmos is not only an arena for discovery but also a stage for the moral dilemmas that accompany the search for connection. The vastness of the universe poses immense challenges to our search. The distances involved are staggering, making travel and communication between civilizations daunting. Yet, we find ourselves driven by an insatiable curiosity, imagining what lies beyond our horizon. Current missions to Mars, the study of Venus's atmosphere, and the exploration of Europa's hidden ocean reflect our yearning to understand whether we are alone. Even our technological pursuits, like the development of propulsion systems that could one day take us to the stars, are rooted in the hope that we might not only find life but also create pathways for future exchanges. As we strive to uncover the secrets of the universe, we must also reconcile the knowledge that we may never find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life. Just as our understanding of the universe expands, so too does our comprehension of the limitations of our knowledge. The search itself, however uncertain, enriches our collective experience, igniting imaginations and inspiring generations. It compels us to look up at the night sky and dream of possibilities that stretch far beyond our earthbound existence. In this pursuit, we become not only explorers of the cosmos but also custodians of our own planet. The understanding that we are part of something far greater propels us toward a deeper appreciation of Earth and the life it cradles. We recognize that in preserving our own world, we may be safeguarding the very essence of life that could one day reach out from the stars. Thus, the search for extraterrestrial life becomes an intertwined journey, not only a quest to find others but also an invitation to reflect on who we are, where we come from, and where we might be headed. As we look to the stars, we carry with us the hope that the universe is filled with life and the promise of connection. The search for extraterrestrial life is a testament to human curiosity and the desire to understand our place in the grand tapestry of existence. It inspires us to dream, to explore, and to embrace the unknown, for in doing so, we celebrate the incredible journey of discovery that binds us all. As we continue this journey through the cosmos, the future of cosmic exploration beckons, filled with the potential to unravel the mysteries lying beyond the edges of our observable universe. The technologies we are developing today are akin to the ancient sailing vessels that ventured beyond the horizon, driven by an insatiable thirst for discovery. Imagine a future where humanity stands at the threshold of the cosmic unknown, equipped with advanced tools that push the limits of our understanding and capabilities. One of the most profound advancements on the horizon is the evolution of propulsion technologies. We are beginning to glimpse the power of concepts like fusion drives and antimatter propulsion, which could allow us to traverse vast distances at speeds that seem to echo the realm of science fiction. Such innovations could one day enable spacecraft to reach exoplanets within a human lifetime, transforming our exploration from a distant dream into a tangible reality. The promise of these technologies offers not just the ability to reach the stars, but also an opportunity to peer deeper into the universe's dark recesses, areas that remain shrouded in mystery and intrigue.
Moreover, the advent of artificial intelligence will revolutionize how we conduct our cosmic explorations.
Imagine intelligent systems capable of analyzing vast quantities of astronomical data, identifying patterns and anomalies in real time, and even making autonomous decisions in the face of unforeseen challenges. These smart explorers could be our eyes and ears far beyond our solar system, relaying invaluable information about distant galaxies, star formations, and cosmic phenomena that we have yet to fully understand. With the ability to adapt and learn, AI will be a critical partner in expanding the breadth of our cosmic knowledge. As we set our sights beyond the observable universe, the concept of telescopic advancement also comes into play. Next-generation space telescopes, equipped with unprecedented precision and sensitivity, will allow us to gaze into the very fabric of spacetime. These instruments may even allow us to capture light from celestial objects that have traveled for billions of years, revealing the history of the universe in ways we can only begin to imagine. By observing cosmic microwave background radiation, we might unlock secrets about the conditions of the early universe, helping us to understand not just where we come from, but where we are headed. Simultaneously, the concept of gravitational wave astronomy is emerging as a groundbreaking portal into the universe's hidden realms. These ripples in spacetime, caused by some of the most violent events in the cosmos, open a new window through which we can observe and understand phenomena that light alone cannot reveal.
Combining gravitational wave data with electromagnetic observations could illuminate aspects of the universe's structure and evolution that have remained elusive, guiding us to a more profound understanding of the cosmos itself. The quest for cosmic knowledge will also hinge on our ability to develop self-sustaining habitats beyond Earth. As we establish bases on the Moon and Mars, we are not just looking to inhabit new worlds, we are laying the groundwork for longer missions that can reach farther into the cosmic depths. These outposts could serve as launch points for missions that probe deeper into the solar system and beyond, potentially enabling missions to explore the intriguing moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Europa and Enceladus, with their subsurface oceans, may harbor the ingredients of life, while also providing clues about the broader universe. Yet, beyond the advancements in technology and habitat, we must also consider the fundamental questions that drive our explorations. The philosophical implications of discovering new cosmic realms will challenge our very understanding of existence. Each new discovery, each new world we uncover, invites us to question what it means to be human in a universe so vast and complex. As we peel back the layers of the cosmos, the stories we tell ourselves about our origins, our purpose, and our future will evolve, shaping not only our scientific endeavors but also our cultural narratives. In contemplating the vastness that lies ahead, we must also acknowledge the role of collaboration on a global scale. The exploration of the cosmos is not the endeavor of one nation or one group, it requires the collective effort of humanity. As we forge partnerships across countries and disciplines, we can pool our resources, knowledge, and dreams. This united approach may accelerate our journey into the far reaches of space, allowing us to tackle challenges that seem insurmountable when faced alone. Ultimately, the future of cosmic exploration is a reflection of our deepest aspirations. It is a journey fueled by curiosity, innovation, and the relentless human spirit. As we look to the stars, we are not merely seeking to extend our reach, we are striving to understand. We want to uncover the truths that lie beyond the cosmic curtain, to grasp the nature of reality itself, and to find our place within this magnificent tapestry. As we prepare for this exhilarating odyssey, we must remain open to the unimaginable. The universe is a vast, intricate puzzle, and while we may not yet hold all the pieces, our quest for knowledge will undoubtedly lead us to revelations that inspire generations to come. The future of cosmic exploration is not just about uncovering new worlds, it is about expanding our consciousness, igniting our imaginations, and embracing the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. With each step into the unknown,
we honor the spirit of exploration that has always defined humanity, reaffirming our connection to the cosmos and to each other as we embark on this grand adventure together. As we delve deeper into the vastness of the universe, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of science and philosophy, where profound questions about existence and our place in the cosmos emerge with clarity. The mysteries of the universe invite us to ponder not only what lies beyond the observable horizon but also the very nature of reality itself. In this interplay between cosmology and philosophy, we seek answers to age-old questions that resonate through time, from the ancient Greeks to the modern era. What does it mean to exist in a universe so grand and intricate? How do we reconcile our fleeting lives with the seemingly eternal cosmos? At the heart of these inquiries lies the concept of existence itself. Cosmology reveals a universe that is not static but dynamic, expanding and evolving over billions of years. This revelation prompts philosophical exploration into the nature of time and space. Is time linear, as we perceive it, or is it a construct that merely helps us navigate our experiences? When we consider the cosmic scale, our lifetimes appear as mere blips against the grand tapestry of existence. This realization ignites questions about legacy and significance. Are our actions etched into the fabric of the universe, or do they dissipate into the void, forgotten? As we grapple with these existential dilemmas, we find that cosmology offers both answers and new questions. The very act of observing the cosmos raises profound philosophical implications. Take, for instance, the observations of distant galaxies and cosmic events. They reveal not only the history of the universe but also challenge our understanding of reality. If light from a star takes millions of years to reach us, we are effectively looking back in time. This has led philosophers to ponder the nature of knowledge itself. How can we claim to know anything when our understanding is rooted in a reality that is perpetually in flux? The introduction of concepts like dark matter and dark energy has further blurred the lines between scientific inquiry and philosophical speculation. While these elements constitute a significant portion of the universe, they remain elusive and intangible. Their very existence invites us to question the limits of human perception and understanding. What does it mean to know something that we cannot directly observe? How do we reconcile the idea of unseen forces shaping the universe with our philosophical quest for certainty? Such questions remind us that while science can illuminate the workings of the cosmos, there will always be realms that elude our grasp, invoking a sense of humility and wonder. As we explore the possibility of multiverses, the philosophical implications deepen even further. If our universe is just one of many, what does this mean for our understanding of reality? The multiverse hypothesis challenges the notion of uniqueness and singularity, inviting us to consider the implications of infinite possibilities. Are we mere inhabitants of a cosmic lottery, existing in a universe that is just one manifestation of a greater whole? This idea raises profound questions about meaning, purpose, and our role in this expansive reality. The pursuit of knowledge in cosmology, thus, becomes intertwined with a quest for existential understanding, prompting us to consider our place not just in one universe, but in potentially countless others. Cosmology also touches on the fundamental principles of causality and existence. The Big Bang Theory posits a powerful origin point for our universe, but what preceded this monumental event? Philosophically, this invites us to speculate on the nature of creation itself. Can something arise from nothing, or is there an eternal cycle of birth and rebirth? These inquiries echo through philosophical traditions, inviting us to reflect on the nature of creation myths and the stories we tell about our origins. As we explore the cosmos, we engage with these profound narratives, seeking not just scientific accuracy but also deeper meaning. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life is a profound intersection of cosmology and philosophy. As we scan the cosmos, the implications of discovering life beyond Earth would reverberate through our understanding of existence. It would challenge our notions of humanity's place in the universe, forcing us to confront questions of identity, purpose, and connection. Are we alone in our quest for meaning, or is there a shared cosmic narrative that unites all sentient beings? This pursuit compels us to reflect on what it means to be human and our responsibilities to life, wherever it may be found. In contemplating the vastness of the universe and the potential for life beyond our planet, we also encounter ethical dilemmas. If we were to make contact with extraterrestrial civilizations,
what responsibilities would we bear? How would our actions reflect on humanity as a whole? This delicate balance between exploration and ethics underscores the importance of a philosophical framework in guiding our scientific endeavors. As we venture into the unknown, we must do so with mindfulness and respect for the intricate web of existence that binds us all. Ultimately, the dialogue between philosophy and cosmology enriches our quest for knowledge, fostering a deeper understanding of both the universe and ourselves. Each discovery beckons us to reflect, to wonder, and to imagine. As we probe the cosmic depths, we are not merely seeking answers, we are engaging in a grand conversation about existence, meaning, and our place within the infinite expanse of creation. Through this intertwined journey, we may find that the most profound truths lie not in the answers we uncover, but in the questions that continue to inspire us, igniting a thirst for knowledge that is as limitless as the universe itself. As we step deeper into this cosmic narrative, the enormity of our existence cannot help but reshape our understanding of ourselves. The cosmic perspective is not just a viewpoint, it is a revelation that transforms how we see the world and our place within it. Imagine standing on the shores of a vast ocean, each wave representing a galaxy, each drop an individual star. It's an awe-inspiring image, yet it also evokes a sense of humility. Here we are, a tiny planet nestled in a solar system on the outer edge of a mere galaxy, surrounded by billions of others, each teeming with potential and mystery. This realization brings with it a profound sense of interconnectedness. Every atom in our bodies, every breath we take, is forged from the remnants of stars that exploded long ago, scattering their elements across the universe. This cosmic lineage connects us not only to our planet but to the vast tapestry of existence that stretches beyond our sight. It challenges us to consider not just where we come from, but where we are going, and how our actions resonate throughout the cosmos. The awareness of our tiny, yet significant place in the universe encourages a sense of stewardship toward our planet and our fellow inhabitants. As we gaze into the night sky, we're inspired to ponder not just the glittering stars above us, but the mysteries that lie beyond the observable universe. It beckons us to look at our problems, environmental, social, and existential, from a new vantage point. When we realize that Earth is but a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness of space, our everyday struggles take on a different shade, urging us to rise above petty disputes and unite as custodians of this fragile world. The cosmic perspective can ignite a collective responsibility, urging humanity to collaborate on a scale unprecedented in our history. Moreover, this perspective invites us to reflect on time itself. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, a timeless saga that has witnessed the birth and demise of countless stars and galaxies. We are but a fleeting moment within this grand timeline, and this awareness can be both humbling and liberating. It encourages us to appreciate the here and now, to seize the fleeting moments of joy and connection. Each second becomes precious, a chance to contribute to the unfolding story of the cosmos. The cosmic perspective also enhances our understanding of what it means to be human. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are not separate entities but rather threads woven into the fabric of existence. Our thoughts, dreams, and aspirations echo across the cosmic expanse. This profound realization compels us to transcend boundaries, to embrace diversity not as a division but as a rich tapestry of experiences. It fosters empathy, as we begin to recognize that everyone, no matter how different, shares the same cosmic heritage. As we delve deeper into the realms of theoretical physics and the potential of technologies yet to be invented, we may find ourselves inching closer to answers about our existence and the nature of reality. But while these pursuits are essential, they also remind us that some questions may remain eternally elusive. What is consciousness? Why does the universe exist? The cosmic perspective teaches us that embracing the unknown can be a source of wonder rather than frustration. It opens the door to creativity, imagination, and the exploration of ideas that may seem unfathomable today. And yet, as we ponder the infinite possibilities of the universe, we must also acknowledge our limitations. The cosmic perspective reveals the boundaries of human understanding and the vast unknown that still stretches before us. It humbles us, reminding us that for all our scientific advancements, we are still at the beginning of our journey. The questions of why we are here and what lies beyond our sensory perceptions continue to inspire generations of thinkers, dreamers, and explorers.
As we engage with the cosmos, it becomes clear that our perspective is not merely about looking outward, it is also an inward journey. It challenges us to confront our own beliefs, values, and priorities. How do we reconcile our quest for knowledge with the inherent mysteries of existence? How do we balance the drive for discovery with the need for moral and ethical considerations in our exploration? The answers may not be simple, but they are essential as we chart our course through the cosmos. In this light, the cosmic perspective serves as a philosophical mirror, reflecting our ambitions, fears, and hopes. It invites us to imagine a future where humanity embraces its role as a participant in the larger cosmic narrative, not as conquerors but as collaborators with the universe. As we ponder the potential for interstellar travel, contact with other civilizations, and the exploration of distant worlds, let us not forget the lessons of humility and unity that emerge from this perspective. Ultimately, the cosmic perspective is a call to embrace the wonder of existence and the mysteries that still await discovery. It urges us to ask ourselves not only what we can learn from the universe but also what we can contribute to it. As we venture forth, let us carry this awe-inspiring awareness with us, allowing it to guide our actions and decisions. In doing so, we may find that our place in the cosmos is not defined by the answers we seek, but by the journey itself, an adventure through time and space, woven into the very fabric of existence. As we stand on the precipice of inquiry, the vastness beyond our observable universe invites us to stretch our imaginations, to envision what lies hidden from our current understanding. The very concept of the cosmos is one that defies the limits of our perception. Picture, if you will, the regions of space that remain eternally shrouded in darkness, realms that our light-traveling instruments may never reach. What mysteries do they hold? What forms of life, phenomena, or even entirely new dimensions might wait just beyond our grasp? We often think about the universe as a grand tapestry, with each star and galaxy a vibrant thread woven into the design. Yet, the fabric extends far beyond what we can perceive. Picture a cosmos that stretches infinitely, not just in distance but in possibility. What if, beyond the cosmic curtain, there exist realms where the laws of physics as we know them bend and twist into new and astonishing shapes? Imagine a universe where time flows differently, where the very heartbeat of existence pulsates at rhythms entirely alien to our own experience. The human mind is a remarkable tool, capable of crafting intricate narratives and visualizing concepts that our senses cannot fully comprehend. But to engage in this exercise is not merely to indulge in fanciful speculation. It is to participate in a profound dialogue with the universe, an exploration of ideas that could reshape our understanding of existence itself. Consider the potential for civilizations based on entirely different principles of development. In the depths of what we cannot see, beings might thrive on forms of energy and matter that we cannot even begin to fathom, creating technologies that are beyond our wildest dreams. What if we could transcend our current limitations? Our imagination has already paved the way for incredible advancements in technology and science. Theoretical physicists are already mapping out the contours of the universe, hypothesizing about dimensions beyond our own, and theorizing about multiverses, each with its own unique set of physical laws. This exercise is not just an escape from reality, it is a crucial part of how we advance our understanding of the cosmos. The mind can envision solutions to problems we have not yet encountered, igniting innovation in ways that are simply unimaginable without that spark of creativity. Even more exhilarating is the idea that the universe itself may be a living, breathing entity, ever evolving and constantly presenting new puzzles to unravel. The concept of cosmic inflation suggests that the universe underwent a rapid expansion immediately after the Big Bang, creating a patchwork of spacetime that we are still trying to decode. So, what else might lie beyond our comprehension? Could there be regions of spacetime where different laws of physics apply, leading to phenomena we can't yet conceive? Perhaps there are places where gravity is a mere suggestion, where matter behaves in ways that would seem magical to our understanding. As we ponder the unimaginable, we also confront the notion of consciousness itself, a phenomenon that seems to intertwine with the very essence of existence. Could there be forms of consciousness beyond our own, entities that perceive the universe in a way that we cannot even begin to grasp? Imagine beings who communicate through light or energy, sharing knowledge and experience in ways that defy our communication systems. This invites us to question not only what we might find but also who we might find it with, expanding our understanding of what it means to be alive in the cosmos.
The limits of our imagination can sometimes feel like barriers, yet they can also be gateways. By envisioning possibilities beyond our current knowledge, we prepare ourselves for a future filled with discovery. The quest for extraterrestrial life ignites that curiosity. Are we alone in the cosmos, or are there civilizations reaching for the stars, much like we do? The discovery of even the simplest form of life elsewhere would radically alter our perspective on existence and our place within it. The pursuit of knowledge, guided by imagination, encourages us to break free from the confines of established thought. It propels us into realms where science and philosophy intersect, where the complexity of life and existence intertwines with the simplicity of our cosmic origins. Every new idea, every hypothesis we explore, serves to deepen our understanding of the universe and our role within it. As we delve deeper into these imaginings, we learn that the universe is not just a place to explore, but a canvas for creativity and thought. Theoretical physics allows us to dream of concepts like wormholes and cosmic highways, pathways that might connect distant galaxies in an instant. The very fabric of spacetime becomes a playground for our minds, a realm where the laws of nature may yield to our most ambitious ideas. Yet, the journey into the unimaginable is not solely an intellectual endeavor. It is deeply philosophical, challenging us to reflect on our own existence and the nature of reality itself. By considering what may lie beyond our comprehension, we are compelled to confront the limitations of human knowledge and the role of observation in shaping that knowledge. In this vast, awe-inspiring cosmic theater, each act unfolds with new revelations, urging us to embrace the unknown. The beauty lies not only in the grandeur of the universe but also in the boundless potential of our imagination to transcend the current boundaries of understanding. As we gaze into the depths of the cosmos, let us allow our minds to wander freely, for in the uncharted territories of thought, we may find the key to unlocking the mysteries that await us beyond the observable horizon. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, it becomes increasingly clear that technology serves as our greatest ally in unraveling the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. With each leap forward in innovation, we expand our capacity to explore the universe, pushing the boundaries of observation and comprehension. The tools we develop are not merely instruments, they are extensions of our curiosity, crafted to probe the vastness of space and time. Consider the telescopes of yesteryear, rudimentary devices that opened our eyes to the wonders of the night sky. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched into orbit in 1990, transformed our view of the universe, allowing us to peer into the far reaches of space and time. Its stunning images have revealed galaxies billions of light-years away, each one a dazzling swirl of stars and cosmic dust. Hubble's observations have provided vital insights into the rate of expansion of the universe and the existence of dark energy. Yet, even Hubble has its limitations, bound by the observable universe and the finite speed of light. As we look to the future, new technologies promise to take us even further. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern engineering, is set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Its infrared capabilities will allow us to see through cosmic dust, unveiling stars in their infancy and distant galaxies that formed shortly after the Big Bang. With Webb, we will explore the very first moments of cosmic history, answering questions about our origins and the evolution of the universe. This next generation of telescopes represents a significant leap in our ability to observe, but it is only one piece of a larger puzzle. Ground-based observatories, equipped with adaptive optics and advanced imaging techniques, are also enhancing our capabilities. These technologies can correct for atmospheric distortions, allowing us to achieve unprecedented clarity in our observations. Instruments like the extremely large telescope, currently under construction in Chile, promise to further bridge the gap between what we know and what remains hidden from view. With a mirror over 30 meters in diameter, it will capture light from the faintest celestial objects, potentially revealing secrets that have eluded us for centuries. Beyond optical telescopes, advancements in radio and gravitational wave astronomy are opening entirely new windows onto the cosmos. Radio arrays like the Square Kilometre Array will allow us to explore the faint whispers of the universe, mapping the cosmic microwave background radiation and studying pulsars with incredible precision. Meanwhile, the detection of gravitational waves has ushered in a new era of astrophysics, providing us with a novel means of observing cosmic events that were previously invisible. Black hole mergers and neutron star collisions, once mere theoretical concepts, are now tangible phenomena we can study, illuminating the nature of spacetime itself. This technological revolution does not stop with observational tools. Computational power has transformed theoretical physics, enabling complex simulations that model the universe's evolution.
Supercomputers allow scientists to run simulations of cosmic events on a scale previously unimaginable, providing insights into the formation of galaxies and the behavior of dark matter. These models help bridge the gap between observation and theory, offering context for the data we collect and guiding us toward new questions. Artificial intelligence is also emerging as a critical component in our quest for knowledge. Machine learning algorithms can sift through vast datasets, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for human researchers to detect. AI systems are assisting in everything from analyzing cosmic microwave background data to classifying exoplanets. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will augment our ability to interpret the universe's vast complexity. Yet, as we revel in these advancements, we must also reflect on the philosophical implications of our technological pursuits. Each discovery not only fills gaps in our knowledge but also raises new questions about our place in the cosmos. As we develop tools that can explore the furthest reaches of the universe, we simultaneously confront the limitations of our understanding. How do we reconcile the vastness of cosmic scales with our human experience? What does it mean to truly know something about the universe when so much remains beyond our grasp? The role of technology in discovery is not merely about the accumulation of data, it is about the transformation of our perspective. Every new instrument we create shifts our understanding of the universe, revealing layers of complexity we had yet to imagine. The insights gained from technological advancements compel us to rethink our theories and challenge our assumptions, driving the pursuit of knowledge further. Looking ahead, the integration of quantum computing holds the promise of revolutionizing our approach to cosmology even further. These next-generation computers could manipulate vast amounts of complex data at speeds unimaginable today, potentially unlocking new paradigms in our understanding of fundamental physics. The implications for our exploration of the cosmos are staggering, as we imagine a future where the boundaries of human knowledge are continually expanded. As we stand on the threshold of discovery, it is essential to remember that technology is but a tool, shaped by our desires and aspirations. It is our hunger for understanding and our relentless curiosity that drive the advancements we see today. In this grand cosmic journey, we are explorers, charting the unknown and daring to dream of what lies beyond the observable universe. Each step forward brings us closer to the answers we seek while sparking new questions that will propel future generations into an ever-expanding expanse of inquiry. The cosmos beckons, and with each technological leap, we draw nearer to its secrets, unveiling the tapestry of existence that we are all a part of. As we delve deeper into this tapestry, we find that our relationship with the cosmos is not merely a scientific pursuit, it is a profound cultural journey that has shaped humanity's identity across millennia. Different civilizations have looked up at the night sky and, in its vastness, found inspiration, meaning, and a reflection of their own existence. Through the stories we tell, the myths we weave, and the art we create, we have sought to understand our place in the universe, often attributing to it an array of interpretations that go beyond the empirical. In ancient times, the stars were seen as the very essence of the divine, with cultures tracing constellations into stories that encapsulated their beliefs and values. The Greeks, for instance, gazed upward and named the constellations after their gods and heroes, weaving tales of adventure and morality that not only provided entertainment but also imparted lessons about human nature. The Ptolemaic model of the universe, which placed Earth at the center, reflected a worldview that emphasized humanity's significance in the grand cosmic scheme, while also establishing a framework that influenced centuries of thought. Across the world, the symbolism found in the night sky resonates with different philosophies. In many indigenous cultures, celestial bodies are intertwined with their understanding of life, nature, and spirituality. The Aboriginal Australians, for example, have long seen the Milky Way as a pathway to the Dreamtime, the creation era that connects them to their ancestors and the land. Their stories of the stars serve as a guide through both physical and spiritual landscapes, revealing how closely tied our existence is to the cosmos surrounding us. Meanwhile, in Asia, the cosmos has often been viewed through a lens that merges science and spirituality. The ancient Chinese regarded the universe as a harmonious whole, where the movement of celestial bodies reflected the principles of yin and yang. This perspective fosters a deep respect for the natural world and its rhythms, influencing not only their philosophy but also their art, medicine, and even governance. The stars were not simply distant suns, they were seen as vital players in the cosmic dance, echoing the balance they sought in their daily lives. In more recent history, the Enlightenment sparked thought that further transformed our understanding of the universe. As science began to take precedence over myth, the cosmos became a vast laboratory for exploration and discovery. Yet, even in this age of reason, cultural interpretations persisted. The Romantic movement in the 19th century brought forth a sense of awe and wonder about the universe that transcended mere scientific inquiry. Poets and artists found inspiration in the sublime beauty of the cosmos, crafting works that echoed the feeling of insignificance in the face of its grandeur. This duality of our recognizing both the vastness of the universe and our small place within it remains a profound aspect of the human experience. Fast forward to the modern era, and our relationship with the cosmos is evolving once again. The advent of space exploration has opened new avenues for cultural reflection. Images of distant galaxies and the Earth from space have transformed our perspective, fostering a sense of global unity as we recognize our shared home floating in the void. The iconic photograph of Earth taken during the Apollo missions encapsulated this moment, igniting a wave of environmental consciousness and a desire to protect our fragile planet. Such images remind us that while we may be insignificant in the grand cosmic scale, our actions bear immense consequences for our world. In popular culture, the cosmos continues to inspire and intrigue. Science fiction, with its imaginative interpretations of extraterrestrial life, space travel, and parallel dimensions, serves not only as entertainment but also as a canvas for exploring our hopes and fears about the future. Movies and literature often delve into the ethical implications of our technological advancements, prompting us to ponder what it means to be human in an ever-expanding universe. As we gaze into the stars, we also find ourselves reflecting on the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. The concept of the multiverse, for instance, challenges our understanding of existence itself, inviting us to contemplate the possibility of infinite realities, each playing out different versions of our lives. This notion not only captivates the imagination but also raises profound philosophical questions about fate, free will, and the nature of reality. Are we merely observers, or do we play an active role in shaping the cosmos? This pursuit of understanding has implications beyond science and philosophy. It seeps into our cultural narratives and influences our societal values. How we perceive the cosmos shapes our approach to existence on Earth, guiding our decisions about technology, sustainability, and even our interpersonal relationships. The stories we craft, whether through art, literature, or dialogue, serve as a mirror to our aspirations, fears, and the collective hope for a better tomorrow. In every culture, the cosmos invites contemplation. From the rituals of ancient civilizations to the scientific endeavors of today, our interpretations of the universe reflect our deepest desires to make sense of the unknown. As we continue to explore what lies beyond the observable universe, we are not just uncovering the physical laws that govern existence, we are also delving into our shared humanity, illuminating the connections that bind us all in this cosmic journey. Each culture offers a unique lens, enriching our understanding and reminding us that the universe is not just a backdrop to our lives, but a vital part of who we are as beings striving to understand our place in an incomprehensibly vast cosmos. As we delve deeper into the essence of existence, we begin to perceive the universe not merely as a collection of isolated phenomena, but as an intricate tapestry woven from the threads of matter, energy, and consciousness. This grand design transcends the boundaries of our observable universe, connecting every particle, every force, and every fleeting moment in a way that invites us to explore the profound interrelationships that define our reality. The beauty of this tapestry lies in its complexity and elegance, revealing patterns that speak to the fundamental laws governing the cosmos. Consider the dance of galaxies, each spinning in its own cosmic ballet, yet bound together by the invisible threads of gravity. These celestial bodies are not solitary, they exist within vast clusters and superclusters, forming vast networks that echo the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Just as every human interaction ripples through our societies, influencing thoughts and feelings in ways we may not fully comprehend, so too does each galaxy influence those around it, contributing to the ever-evolving narrative of the universe. Our understanding of existence is further deepened by the unseen forces that permeate the vastness of space. dark matter, which makes up approximately 26% of our universe, and dark energy, accounting for about 70%, are enigmatic constituents that shape the very fabric of our cosmos. While we cannot directly observe them, their presence is felt in the way galaxies cluster, in the accelerated expansion of the universe, and in the fundamental structure of reality itself. They remind us that there is so much more beyond our perception, urging us to explore the shadows in our understanding of existence.
Within this cosmic tapestry, we also find the delicate interplay between time and space.
Spacetime is not just a stage on which events unfold, it is a dynamic fabric that bends and stretches in response to mass and energy. This intermingling of dimensions reveals that our perception of time is intrinsically linked to the universe's vast scale. As we peer into the cosmos, we are not only looking back in time but also gaining insight into the nature of existence itself. The past, present, and future are interwoven, creating a complex web that challenges our conventional understanding of linearity. Yet, the exploration of this tapestry is not limited to the physical realm. Theoretical physics acts as a bridge into the unseen, allowing us to map the contours of the cosmos with equations that describe the dance of particles and waves. Concepts such as string theory and quantum entanglement evoke awe by suggesting that the seemingly disparate elements of reality are interlinked in profound ways. These theories propose that at the most fundamental level, all matter and energy may be manifestations of vibrating strings or entangled particles, fundamentally unifying the cosmos in a way that challenges our perception of individuality. As we ponder the nature of existence, we cannot help but confront the limits of our knowledge. We stand at the precipice of understanding, gazing into the vast expanse of the cosmos while recognizing that our quest for answers may lead us into realms beyond our current grasp. Each discovery unveils new questions, revealing the infinite layers of complexity that make up our universe. It is a humbling reminder that, while we strive to uncover the secrets of existence, we are but tiny threads in a grand tapestry of cosmic proportions. This sense of wonder extends to the possibility of other realms that exist beyond our own. The multiverse hypothesis introduces the idea that our universe may be just one of countless others, each with its own unique properties and laws. In this vast multiverse, the potential connections between disparate realities ignite the imagination, suggesting that the tapestry of existence may extend far beyond anything we can currently comprehend. Each universe could represent a different manifestation of reality, where different physical laws apply, and perhaps where different forms of life thrive. This notion not only expands our understanding of possibility but also reinforces the interconnected nature of all things, as we consider how these myriad universes might influence one another in ways yet to be discovered. The search for extraterrestrial life further intertwines with our understanding of existence. As we gaze into the cosmos and explore the potential for life beyond Earth, we are reminded that we are all part of the same cosmic fabric. The fundamental ingredients for life, water, carbon, and energy, exist throughout the universe, suggesting that the conditions that nurture life on our planet may be mirrored elsewhere. This realization invites us to reflect on our shared existence, igniting a deep yearning to connect with others in the cosmos, and to understand how they too weave their own stories into the grand tapestry. As we contemplate the future of humanity in this interconnected universe, we are filled with hope and curiosity. Advances in technology promise to unveil new facets of our cosmic journey, allowing us to explore realms previously thought to be unreachable. The very instruments we create will serve as extensions of our consciousness, enabling us to probe the mysteries of existence, to witness the birth and death of stars, and to unravel the forces that shape the cosmos. Each step forward is another thread woven into the tapestry, enhancing our understanding of our place in the universe. This grand narrative of existence encompasses not only the physical and the theoretical but also the philosophical. It encourages us to reflect on our role in this vast design and to consider the implications of our interconnectedness. As we grasp the enormity of the cosmos, we find ourselves part of a legacy that transcends time and space. The tapestry of existence invites us to explore, to dream, and to recognize that every thread, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the unfolding story of the universe. As we gaze into the cosmos, the question arises, what does the future hold for humanity among the stars? With each discovery, we inch closer to understanding not just our place in the universe, but what it means to be stewards of this vast expanse. Our journey is marked by a profound interplay between curiosity and responsibility, shaping our role as explorers and guardians of the cosmic frontier. Imagine a future where humanity has woven itself into the fabric of interstellar existence. As we develop advanced technologies, the prospect of traveling beyond our solar system becomes tantalizingly possible. Spacecraft powered by innovative propulsion systems could enable us to traverse the galaxies, opening doorways to new worlds. The dream of colonizing planets, once the stuff of science fiction, may soon become a reality. We envision bases on Mars and floating cities on Venus, each a beacon of human ingenuity and resilience. Yet, with such ambition comes the weight of responsibility. As we expand into the cosmos, we must consider the ethical implications of our actions. The universe is not a blank slate, it is a rich tapestry of potential ecosystems and uncharted territories. The delicate balance of life must be honored, and our exploration must be guided by respect for the unknown. We must ponder questions of sustainability and stewardship, ensuring that our presence does not disrupt the cosmic balance. In this pursuit, technology will play a pivotal role. The development of artificial intelligence and robotics could revolutionize our capabilities, enabling us to explore environments inhospitable to human life. Imagine robotic explorers venturing into the icy realms of Europa or the stormy atmospheres of gas giants, gathering data that could reveal the secrets of life beyond Earth. These machines could act as our eyes and ears, transmitting information that fuels our understanding and ignites our imagination. As we venture further into the cosmos, the search for extraterrestrial life will become a central theme of our exploration. The universe is vast, and the conditions that foster life may exist in countless forms. The discovery of microbial life on another planet would not only validate our theories but would also transform our perspective on life itself. It could inspire a newfound respect for the diversity of existence and a deeper appreciation for the fragile web of life on our own planet. In parallel with our technological advancements, we must foster a sense of unity among ourselves. The future of humanity in the cosmos is not merely a journey of individuals or nations, it is a collective endeavor that transcends borders. As we look outward, we must also turn our gaze inward, recognizing that our shared struggles and triumphs bind us together. The cosmos is a reminder of our shared humanity, urging us to work collaboratively for the greater good. Philosophically, the exploration of the universe invites us to confront fundamental questions about existence. What does it mean to be human in a vast and indifferent cosmos? As we venture into the unknown, we grapple with our purpose and the legacy we wish to leave behind. The pursuit of knowledge becomes not just a scientific endeavor but a deeply spiritual one, urging us to seek meaning amidst the stars. The stories we tell and the myths we create will reflect our journey, echoing through time as a testament to our quest for understanding. The future also challenges us to embrace the unknown with an open heart and mind. As we push the boundaries of our understanding, we may encounter phenomena that defy our current scientific paradigms. From the nature of dark matter to the complexities of consciousness, the future of humanity in the cosmos will demand flexibility and creativity. It invites us to imagine the unimaginable, to explore the realms of possibility that lie beyond our current comprehension. As we chart this new course, the role of education and public engagement becomes paramount. The excitement of cosmic exploration must be shared, inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. By fostering a culture of inquiry and wonder, we empower individuals to contribute to humanity's journey among the stars. Each new mind nurtured in curiosity holds the potential to unlock mysteries that have eluded us for centuries. In this grand narrative, the Earth remains our cradle, a sanctuary amidst the vastness of space. It is essential that we tend to our home, nurturing the planet that has provided for us. As we embark on interstellar journeys, we must not lose sight of our roots. Our future in the cosmos will be inextricably linked to our ability to care for our home, to balance technological advancement with environmental sustainability. Ultimately, the future of humanity in the cosmos is not just about exploration, it is about connection. It is about forging links between worlds, between cultures, and between ideas. As we seek to understand the universe, we discover more about ourselves, our shared struggles, and our aspirations. The cosmos serves as a canvas for humanity's greatest dreams and deepest questions, urging us to reach for the stars while remaining grounded in our humanity.
In contemplating our future, we embrace the notion that we are not merely observers of the universe, but active participants in its unfolding story. Whether we become spacefaring civilizations or discover the wonders of life beyond our planet, our journey will be defined by our choices and our capacity for wonder. The cosmos awaits, a realm of endless possibilities, inviting us to step boldly into the unknown, together. As we look back upon our journey through the vast expanse beyond the observable universe, we find ourselves standing at the edge of our understanding, peering into the depths of mystery that stretch far beyond what we can currently perceive. Each concept we've explored, from the tantalizing edges of cosmic inflation to the enigmatic nature of dark matter and dark energy, paints a picture of a universe richer and more intricate than we can fully comprehend. It is a canvas, forever expanding, both physically and intellectually, inviting us to explore and question. The notion that our universe is but a fragment of a much grander multiverse becomes a beacon for our imaginations. Here lies the promise of numerous realms, each with its own laws of physics and possibilities. We realize that the boundaries of our knowledge are not just limitations but are also invitations. Each question we ask opens up new frontiers, leading us into the unknown where the rules may bend and twist in ways we have yet to fathom. It illustrates our enduring human quest for understanding, a quest that has propelled us from the cave to the stars. As we reflect on the structures of the cosmos, we recognize that galaxies and star systems are not merely isolated entities but part of an intricate tapestry. This tapestry is woven from the threads of gravity, time, and energy, each influencing the other in a dance of cosmic proportions. The more we discover about these structures, the more we appreciate our place within them, not as passive observers but as conscious beings capable of inquiry and wonder. The universe speaks to us through the language of science, urging us to decipher its secrets and to embrace our role as explorers. But what lies beyond our current observational capabilities? The fabric of spacetime holds mysteries that challenge our understanding. Concepts like wormholes and time travel spark our imaginations, hinting at possibilities that transcend our conventional understanding of reality. Such ideas may seem fantastical, yet they ground us in the understanding that the universe operates on principles that can defy our intuition. As we continue to push the limits of theoretical physics, we find ourselves in a constant state of becoming, with each new discovery nudging us further along the path of enlightenment. As we stand on the threshold of cosmic exploration, our gaze turns to the future. The potential for human advancement in our understanding of the universe is boundless. With each technological leap, from powerful telescopes to advanced space probes, we inch closer to unveiling the mysteries that lie just beyond our reach. The search for extraterrestrial life, once viewed as a mere dream, is now a scientific pursuit, fueled by our desire to understand our place in a vast cosmic ocean. Each discovery we make not only enriches our knowledge but also deepens our connection to the universe at large. The relationship between philosophy and cosmology is also worthy of reflection. As we ponder the nature of existence, we are reminded that our understanding of the universe is as much about the questions we ask as it is about the answers we seek. The philosophical implications of our cosmic inquiries challenge us to confront profound questions about consciousness, existence, and the very fabric of reality. These reflections shape our worldview, pushing us to consider what it means to be a part of this grand cosmic narrative. In our exploration of existence, we must not forget the role of culture. Humanity's reflections of the cosmos have enriched our artistic expressions and woven themselves into the fabric of our narratives. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the universe has inspired us to dream, to create, and to aspire. These cultural reflections serve as bridges, connecting our diverse perspectives into a shared human experience that reverberates through time. As we conclude this odyssey into the unknown, we realize that the journey has just begun. The cosmos, with all its mysteries and wonders, calls us to continue our pursuit of knowledge. Our understanding of the universe may evolve, but our capacity for wonder remains a constant. It is this wonder that fuels our curiosity and drives us to venture into new realms of thought and exploration. The future of humanity in the cosmos is a canvas yet to be painted, filled with potential that we have the power to shape. As we venture forward, let us embrace the mysteries that lie ahead. Let us be filled with awe as we seek to uncover the profound truths of our existence and the universe that surrounds us. We are not alone in this quest, we share it with the stars, the galaxies, and the infinite possibilities that dwell in the cosmic silence.
So, as we stand together at the precipice of knowledge and wonder, let us step boldly into the great unknown. Let us celebrate our capacity for exploration, creativity, and connection. Together, we will weave new threads into the fabric of existence, expanding our understanding and deepening our appreciation for the cosmos. The universe awaits us, and it is up to us to embrace the adventure that lies beyond the observable, an adventure that promises to reveal the unimaginable and inspire generations to come.